recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today we're going to show you how to make a boat using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with a rectangular piece of paper and fold it in half from side to side, then open it back up. Step 2. Fold it in half again from top to bottom. Step 3. Fold both top corners down to the center line. Step 4. Fold the bottom edges up, one on each side. Step 5. Pull out the sides and flatten them. Step 6. Now fold both front and back layers up. Step 7. Pull the sides apart and flatten the paper. Step 8. Spread the top flap outwards. This can be tricky. Step 9. Finally, flatten the bottom and pull both sides up. And there you have it, your very own boat origami. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!